I hope this life-changing opportunity can help you, not only your finances, but also it can help also all your community and especially your family. Okay, so let's start. Let me share to you my screen. Welcome to the new era of world finance. Actually, this is what happening right now. We are now entering into the new era of finance. Okay? But before we go into our proper presentation regarding our program at project that we would like to introduce to you, let me share to you some idea about what is the new world, the new finance that considered right now into the development. Okay, so as you can see, guys, before I would introduce the project and program that we are working right now, let me introduce to you regarding cryptocurrency. Okay, because we are in the industry of cryptocurrency. So what is cryptocurrency? Okay? So cryptocurrency is considered as a digital asset. Digital asset that exists outside the control of the government or central authorities, which means there is no control, there is no bound. Okay? This is considered as decentralized. Okay? Decentralized structure. Okay? So the first crypto born, okay, this is called Bitcoin. Okay. But most of us, before, when we heard the word Bitcoin, the first thing that come into our mind is scam. Okay. Bitcoin will not stay longer. Bitcoin will not last. Okay. Bitcoin is scam. Bitcoin is fraud. So that's the idea of Bitcoin before. Okay, that's why we miss the opportunity to hold the Bitcoin. But guys, Bitcoin per se, Bitcoin is not a scam. Bitcoin is one of the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency born in the market. Okay, Bitcoin started the price when we see the history of rainbow chart. The price of Bitcoin last January 2011 starts at 0.3 cents of a dollar. When the year goes by, in 2012, the price of Bitcoin uh, goes up to $10.9. In 2013, 1 to 73. In 2016, it goes down to 662. In 2017, they goes up to the highest level of 19,345. That was in the second halving. Okay, after that, they goes down again to 8,970. In 2021, it goes up to 67,644. Right now, Bitcoin does not go below 60,000 US dollar, which means we miss the opportunity to hold Bitcoin because we have lack of knowledge, because we have lack of idea regarding what is cryptocurrency is, what is blockchain, what is Bitcoin, and we are afraid of this new technology. We are afraid to adapt. We are afraid to embrace it. This new technology, this new development of technology. That's why we miss the opportunity to hold a certain amount of Bitcoin, a certain number of pieces of Bitcoin. If the idea and knowledge we have is right, maybe we can hold a number of pieces of Bitcoin right now. If you have Bitcoin right now, you will not you will not experience hardship on your finances. But because of that of lack of knowledge, we miss the opportunity of that big opportunity to hold a crypto like Bitcoin. Okay? That's why we are now educating people the right education about cryptocurrency because they cannot stop cryptocurrency. We cannot stop cryptocurrency. Okay, cryptocurrency is now the new era of financial system. We are entering into decentralized finance. Okay, and the next to Bitcoin, as I have said, Bitcoin right now does not go below 63,000 or 60,000 US dollar, but you can see this is 15 years in the making. It not happen overnight. It not happen in a year, 1 year, 2 years. It happened for 15 years in the making, which means Bitcoin already proved Bitcoin already proved his existence and his legitimacy. Okay, that's the reason why there's a lot of people right now, okay, adapt the cryptocurrency. There's a lot of people earn millions in cryptocurrency because they know the right idea and the right knowledge about crypto. Okay? So what is next to Bitcoin? Ethereum. Guys, look the price of Ethereum. 2015, the price start 0.6 cents of a dollar. 2017, it goes to 10.65. 2017 January, it goes to $1,419 per Ethereum. It goes down to 86. Okay, if this happen, there's a lot of people become fear. Okay, there is a massive upsell. Okay, December 2020, it goes up again to 601.97. Okay, right now, Ethereum does not fall below in 3,000 US dollar per Ethereum. And that is 9 years in the making of Ethereum itself. So which means in cryptocurrency, the longer you hold a crypto has the higher opportunity you will earn much. Okay? What is next to Ethereum? It's BNB. BNB before is given as an airdrop to those who use the Binance wallet, the Binance exchange. Okay? BNB starts at 15 cents per BNB in 2017. And right now, BNB does not below to $500 each BNB. 9 years in the making also. So I show this to you, the history of some of the crypto that has already a remarkable value, because I just want to share to you that all crypto starts in the no value. All crypto starts in a lower price value. Okay? When there is a demand, there is a user of that crypto, that's the time the value increases. The value increases. Because there are two factors in order for a crypto to have a remarkable value. First, ecosystem. Second, community who uses that. Okay, Bitcoin hit the remarkable value of 63,000 right now because they have a lot of users. They have a lot of holder of Bitcoin. Okay, we miss opportunity of that. Also in Ethereum and also in BNB. And our own crypto, which is ACNT, 3 years in the making. We will going to 3 years this coming July. But guys, look below. From January 2024 this year up to right now, there is already an increase of 563% of the value. Which means our ACNT is now moving, and now the price is increasing and increasing a little by little. Okay? So this is our own ACNT. This is our own legit and native crypto, which we will use this in all our projects in the coming months. Okay? So I share this to you in order for you to have idea of what is happening right now in cryptocurrency. And I just want to change your thoughts about Bitcoin, about cryptocurrency, that Bitcoin is fraud, Bitcoin is scam. Okay? Bitcoin is not a scam. This is the first cryptocurrency born. Bitcoin is a digital money, is a cryptocurrency. But there's a lot of company before uses Bitcoin, okay, in the advantage of themselves. Okay? That's why we need to educate people regarding cryptocurrency, regarding the new technology, regarding the blockchain, in order so that they can avoid to be part or to participate in any companies right now. There's a lot of companies right now. Okay? So the surge in cryptocurrency since 2016, the holder or the user of crypto is only 5 million. But right now, the users of crypto is more than 560 million already, which means there's a lot of people right now who are open regarding this new technology of cryptocurrency. If you are not familiar about cryptocurrency, this is the right time for you to do your own study about crypto, of what is happening right now in the financial system. You need to adapt, you need to embrace this new technology for you to be not left behind of the new technology of this new era. Okay? So there is another development beyond cryptocurrency. This is we call RWA. Okay? The RWA, this is the development of the new technology beyond cryptocurrency, which this in this project we will use the crypto itself. Okay? So real world asset on the blockchain technology, this is one of the project of our ACNT ecosystem. Okay? So what is real world asset? Real world asset, this is the tokenization of real asset and converting your rights or a portion on a real world asset, and the representation of your ownership of that asset is in a form of crypto or token. Which means if you have real asset right now, like property, like commodities, you can convert it into intangible asset inside the blockchain. And the representation of your ownership is in a form of crypto or token. Which means this is the new layer of efficiency and security because it is done inside the blockchain. As we all know, blockchain is one of the safest and transparent system right now. Okay? So the person who advocate this RWA is directly the CEO of BlackRock. Okay? And by the way, who is BlackRock? BlackRock is one of the biggest world-leading providers of investment management company. BlackRock is a big company. BlackRock is a huge company. And BlackRock is one of a company that has a big contribution in the whole economy of the whole world. Okay? In fact, last year, BlackRock hits the 10 trillion asset under management. $10 trillion. Okay, which means this company, if he has a proposal, okay, there's a lot of big businesses will follow. And the good thing of this, while they are advocate this RWA, we in ACNT ecosystem already started it. Okay, we already started it. We already now putting ourselves in advance of what is the big opportunity that will happen in the coming years. Okay? So, banks on RWA also embracing this tokenization. 4 reasons why banks are embracing this tokenization of real-world asset. Number 1, faster and more efficient settlement, which means they will avoid delays of settlement. Okay? Because the delay is a cause of inefficiency. Okay? And then second reason, automated processes.
they allow the tokenization tokenization allows the automation of both asset and services. Okay, automated. They are now developing automation. Okay, and then third reason, fractionalized ownership. Okay, fractionalized ownership, which means in this concept, in this project, there is no discrimination. There is an equal opportunity. Regardless of your status in the community, regardless of your status in the society, you can participate with this project and with this program. Fractionalized ownership. Even you are in a lower class, middle class, or higher class, you can participate with this project. And that is the good thing about this RWA. Okay? And then the fourth reason is real-time transaction data. Okay? Which means uh, your transaction is real-time. Okay? Who experience of transacting cryptocurrency? When you send from one wallet to another real-time, it will credited to the other wallet. Okay? That's the reason why bank embracing this tokenization of real-world asset. Real-time data. Okay? Real-time transaction data. So, even banks right now considering and embracing this tokenization of real-world asset, which means we are now entering into a decentralized finance. Okay? So, which means the RWA concept, as what I have said earlier, this is the integration, this is the conversion of real asset like property, like commodities, like vehicles, like project. This is the conversion into intangible asset under the RWA. And this project, this RWA is done inside the blockchain. Okay? And the benefits of this RWA, number one, fractionalized ownership, as what I have said, you can participate in any of this project under the RWA, regardless of your status in the society. Number two, global accessibility. Okay? When you have a project under the RWA, when you have an asset, when you have a commodities under the RWA, your target market is global, which means there is no bound, there is no limit. Okay, as long as there is an internet connection, your market, your target market is globally. Okay? And then third, liquidity, there is no question about liquidity. Okay? Liquidity means you can swap or you can convert your token anytime you want into fiat. Okay? In RWA, the liquidity, you can buy, sell, or trade your token instantly inside the blockchain. Okay? To become a liquid asset. And then fourth reason, we are now entering into the decentralized finance investment opportunity. There are two types of finance right now. One is the centralized, which is governed by the central authorities. Okay, it also includes the bank industry. And then the second finance is the decentralized. The decentralized finance includes the cryptocurrency, includes the NFT, includes the RWA, and all the development, okay, and all the development in cryptocurrency and beyond cryptocurrency is considered as decentralized finance. But before, the centralized finance, okay, they don't like the cryptocurrency or the decentralized finance. They have a lot of negative feedback about crypto, about Bitcoin. Okay, they issue a negative statement about the Bitcoin, about the crypto, about the cryptocurrency, but they cannot stop it. That's why right now, the centralized finance, they are now trying to have a transition, to have a smooth transaction between the centralized and the decentralized, so that there later on there will be no a problem in terms of transaction between the two finance right now. Okay, because they cannot stop. So that's why they need to adapt it. They need to embrace it. That's why as earlier, you can see why bank are now embracing the RWA, which is under the decentralized finance. Okay? So the project we choose under the ACNT ecosystem and to be done in the RWA is the cacao plantation and production. Why we choose this project? This is the first project we will do inside the blockchain and under the RWA, the cacao plantation and production. Because we saw a big opportunity in this project. As you can see, the price of per ton from 300 USDT right now, it increases into 12,000 US dollar per ton, which means there is a massive demand, but the supply is very limited. That's why we will capitalizing this on RWA, this cacao plantation and production. Okay? So why cacao? Because the demand for cacao-based product is increasing, but the supply of this item is still insufficient in domestic and international markets. As what Army Garcia said, Philippine Cacao Industry Association President, in Philippines alone, there is a shortage. How about the international demand? Okay? Why we choose this project? Because we saw a big opportunity if we do this properly, this kind of project. And this project is done under the RWA and under the ACNT ecosystem. Okay? And this project was spearheaded by our AC Vertex program. The AC Vertex program is only a gateway. Okay? It's only a gateway in order for you to enter into a big project that we will be launching in the coming months, which is the RWA. And there's a lot of project that we will be launching in the coming months. Okay, that it is already in our pipeline. So this project AC Vertex is not encouraging for an investment. This is not an investment. This is not also a money game. But the sole purpose of this AC Vertex is to build a healthy and solid community to support our project like RWA and the next project we will be launching in the coming months. Because in every project, in every crypto, if there is no community, this is useless. Okay? So that's why we need to have a decent life in the coming months. That's why this project AC Vertex, it is the entry is very low. Okay? Of course, the risk is also low, but the gain is very high if you try to study, if you try to understand what is the project is all about. Okay? So, how to participate in this AC Vertex community program? You need to subscribe. We have only one subscription. Okay, like you subscribe in Netflix. In order for you to enjoy the services, the product and services of Netflix, you need to subscribe monthly. But here in AC Vertex, you only subscribe once and lifetime. Okay? Right now, we implement the 3-account policy, which means you need to start 3 account for you to enter this gateway. And that 3 account will give a 1% return daily for a period of 300 days plus 10,000 3D coins airdrop, which means if you have 3 accounts, you have a $3 return daily. 3 USDT return every day for a period of 300 days. Plus, you will receive a referral rewards. As you all know, it is self-explanatory. The sponsor bonus, the pairing bonus, and the matching bonus. as most of you already experienced this kind of rewards. Okay, you have already idea about this reward. The sponsor bonus, when you refer someone, you get 10% out of their subscription. And the pairing bonus, if you complete the left and right, 10% of their subscription you will get as your pairing bonus. And the matching bonus, this is the reward you will receive once your level has a pairing bonus. Example, your first level earn a 10% of pairing bonus, which means 5% of that will go to your matching bonus. Okay? That's the reward you will receive once you subscribe in AC Vertix program. Plus, if you build your community, if you build your own team, if you help the company to increase a community, a strong and healthy community, the company will give you a reward for free. Okay? And what is that reward? The Universal Global Board Matrix. In this Universal Global Board Matrix, this is only a free, a bonus that the company gives to you in order to help you financially to build your own community and team. Okay? Because this Global Board Matrix is additional income, additional earnings that the company given to you, okay, in building your own community. But the movement of your rank advance here in Universal Global Board Matrix will depend on the movement of building your community in the normal binary system. Which means the faster you build your community, the faster you get the rank advance here in the Universal Global Board Matrix and receive the reward for free. Okay? So, what is the Universal Global Board Matrix? The Universal Global Board Matrix, when you qualified, the qualification is only complete the left and right. That's why we implement the 3-account policy for your first account to qualify in this Global Board Matrix. Okay? So, if you create 3 accounts, your account is qualified here. If you create 7 accounts, 3 accounts already qualified here. Okay? If you create 15 accounts, your 7 accounts qualified in the Global Matrix. If you create 31 accounts, 15 accounts qualified in the Global Matrix. So which means the earlier you qualified in this Global Board Matrix, okay, has a great advantage to you. Because in this Global Board Matrix, the company, based on the algorithm and system generation, will be the one to give you a spillover as the S2 apprentice, 4 builders, and 8 starter to complete your full matrix and to receive the reward for free. Okay? So once your account is qualified in Global Board Matrix, your account will be considered as Bronze Legend. Okay? In Bronze Legend, of course, you have a 100 USDT personal subscription, and that 100 USDT earn 1% daily for 300 days, plus 10,000 TD coins airdrop. Okay? While building the community in the normal binary system, you also earn there. You earn referral, you earn binary, okay, you earn matching bonus. Okay? And if you build faster your community there, okay, it also affect your rank advance here in the Global Board Matrix. And when the system completes your 2 apprentice, 4 builders, and 8 starter, the company will give you 200 MUSD for free. 200 MUSD is equivalent to 200 USDT. But 200 MUSD is using for encoding purposes. And your account of bronze will be promoted to silver to the following day, and you will receive additional of 500 USDT to your account that will earn 1% daily for 300 days plus 50,000 TD coins airdrop. So which means if your account become a silver, your your capital now is from 100 going to 600 US dollar earning daily. Okay? And that is free given to you by the company to help you financially. So which means, guys, the faster you build your community, the faster you get the rank advance and you get the free rewards. Okay? So when your silver account completes the 2 apprentice again, the 4 builders and the 8 starter, okay, the company will give you again a 1,000 MUSD and your account will be promoted to gold, and on the next day, there will be an additional capital to your account of 2,000 USDT that will earn 1.5 to 2% daily for 150 days plus 200,000 TD coins airdrop. Okay? And if your gold account complete the full matrix again, okay, which means it completes the 2 apprentice, 4 builders, and 8 starter, the company will give you again additional of 5,000 MUSD. Okay? Plus your account will be promoted to diamond, and in the following day, you will receive 5,000 USDT additional to your capital that will earn 2.5 to 3% daily for 100 days plus 500,000 TD coins airdrop. Guys, the benefits and the advantage is given to us all out by the company to help you to build your own community. Okay? And if your diamond account complete the full matrix, the company again will give you 10,000 MUSD and your account will be promoted to platinum. And on the next day, you have an additional capital to your account of 20,000 USDT that will earn 3% to 3.5 per 100% for 100 days plus 2 million TD coins airdrop. And this is the highest rank ever in AC Vertex. Guys, if you receive this reward, you have also earning in the binary system because you building your community there, you building your group there, you receive reward also. Plus, you will receive here in the global matrix board. So you have already a 2 source of income. Okay? If your platinum account complete the full matrix, the company will give you 120,000 MUSD to your account. So guys, this is only a bonus. I repeat, this is only free. If you build your community in the global board matrix, the faster you build your community, the faster you build your team, the faster you get the rank advance here, and the faster you will receive the reward. Okay? That's why here in AC Vertex, the sole purpose of this is to build a strong and healthy and solid community. Okay? So this is, guys, you saw in your dashboard. If you are bronze, okay, if you qualified left and right, you qualified already in the global board matrix. If your account, okay, completes the 2 apprentice, 4 builders, and 8 starter, your account will be promoted to silver. Okay, you receive all the rewards or the bonuses. Okay, so when your silver account complete this again. Okay, so it means it's already completed 2 apprentice, 4 builders, and 8 starter, your account will be promoted to gold. And you also receive all the rewards I discussed in the previous slide. Okay? And if your gold account complete again, the full matrix, your account will be promoted to diamond, and you already receive all the bonuses, all the reward for free as I discussed in the previous slide. The same also in platinum. Okay, when you complete the full matrix of diamond, you will be promoted to platinum and you will receive the 120,000 MUSD. Guys, if you reach the highest rank of platinum, okay, the total MUSD received, the total free reward received in the form of MUSD, it's 136,200 MUSD or 136,200 USDT. Because 1 MUSD is equals to 1 USDT plus the total TD coins airdrop you receive is 2.7 million pieces. Guys, TD coins is one also of our crypto that we will use in one of the project that we will be launching in the coming months. Guys, try to imagine if the TD coins hit the value of 1 peso only. You will have 2.7 million pesos. What if the TD coins after 2 years or after 3 years will hit also the value of $1? You have already $2.7 million. And right now, it is given for free as an airdrop. As what I have said earlier, when I give you idea about cryptocurrency, okay, Bitcoin before is given for free. They are given to all the gamers as a reward. Same also with Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum before give an airdrop to all who uses the Ethereum. Okay, and also in the BNB is given before for free when you use the Binance crypto exchange. And also our ACNT before, it is given for free. But right now, the chairman cannot afford anymore to give even in a single number of ACNT because they already know what will happen for that ACNT. Right now, this TD coin is given for free. You need to avail. You need to accumulate. Okay? Every time you add account, you will receive 10,000 TD coins. Every time you add an account, you receive 10,000 TD coins. Every time you rank advance, you will receive TD coins also as an airdrop. Collect and collect this TD coin because later, okay, this TD coin will be used in one of the project also. Okay? So the maximum income per day for gold is 1,000, for silver 5,000. Okay? Bronze, bronze 1,000, silver 5,000, gold 20,000, diamond 50,000, and platinum 200,000. Okay? So guys, why AC Vertex? Because these three is interconnected. They are joined. Okay? They are interlinked. Which means in building the community in AC Vertex, you already earn. Okay? In preparation to the big project we will be launching, the RWA. Okay? And that RWA project, the crypto we will use is our own native crypto, which is ACNT, to give a remarkable value of that crypto. Okay? Because the end result of all this project will be in our crypto to have a remarkable value. Try to imagine if you have 1 million ACNT and that ACNT will reach the value of $1 this year minimum. You have already $1 million. For that amount of money, you can help a lot of people. Okay? So while we are while we are building the community you earn in preparation for the RWA, okay, to have a remarkable value of our ACNT. Okay? So ACNT ecosystem concept is the best because here you will build only once. Okay, which means if you build community in AC Vertex, of course you earn already, right? This is only a gateway. Your community you build in AC Vertex will be the same community, will be the same team you will carry on the RWA program. And sooner, the same community also you will carry if we launch our own crypto exchange, which is AC Trust. Which means here we are teaching how to develop a multiple source of income. Okay? If you have community, if you have team in Asia Vertex, I know you earn. Okay? When we launch our RWA because of that community and all of you will participate also because there is a compensation also there, you also earn. In AC Trust also, there is a lot of opportunity there. You can participate. And once your community is participating all the project, you earn. What I mean is you only build once. Okay, you only build in AC Vertex, and the rest of the project you have already your own team and you have already your own community. This is the best concept because I tell you it is very tiresome. Okay, to build community from time to time. When you join this project, you build, okay, and another project you build again, and another project you build again. But here you only build once, and you can participate in different project of ACNT ecosystem, and all your community and team will be the same community there. Okay, so before I end, I would like to share to you regarding the financial management. Okay. So I've been in the bank for past 15 years and I'm conducting a financial management to our client. Okay. So the financial management we conduct is somehow there is an effect, but uh, once my mentor said there is a lacking in that formula. Okay, and I just want to share to you because what he shared to me has a big point in term of financial management. Okay, so before I end, guys, I would like to share this to you. In the normal management, this is what happening: income less expenses equals savings, right? Okay, income less expenses equals savings. If your expenses go beyond to your income, you have zero savings. That's why we are taught to manage our expenses, to budget our income. Okay? And on the professional management, this is what we taught before. Okay? Income less savings equals expenses, which means you need to set a percentage to your income to become a savings. And the remaining will be the one to spend to your expenses. In this management, you are limiting. Okay, you are limiting yourself. You are what we call that. You are budgeting yourself. Okay, and you are also budgeting your family in term of expenses. But the third financial management is this is what the big businesses, okay, what the rich people is doing. This is called an entrepreneurial management. Entrepreneur management. In entrepreneur management, they increase a multiple source of income so that expenses and savings will not be a problem anymore. Okay, once my mentor said, expenses is not a problem because expenses, okay, expenses does not decrease. It's only increasing from time to time. Okay, but your income is a problem. You need to increase more your income or not to be the problem, your expenses and savings anymore. This is what we taught right now. Increase your income. Once you build community in AC Vertex, you have an income. Okay, plus when we introduce the RWA, you have another source of income also. Plus the AC Trust. Plus we have AI bot to be launched in the coming days. So which means we are teaching people how to increase more their income for them not to worry about their savings and their expenses anymore. Because what I have said, expenses is not a problem. Rather, the problem is our source of income. If you have only one source of income and you have a multiple expenses, okay, you will have a problem in your finances. That's why you need to budget. That's why you need to budget to limit your expenses. But if you have a lot of source of income, your savings and expenses will not a problem anymore. Okay? So when they shared this to me, I was amazed. Okay, I was amazed and I was feel sad because this concept is not introduced, especially when we are in college, when we are in the real world. We were not taught about this management. Okay, but this management is done by all of the entrepreneur, all of the big tycoons, of all of the business tycoon. That's why they have different source of income, different businesses, different opportunity. And right now, we are teaching it to you. Okay? We are teaching it to you so that someday you will have a decent life. Okay? As what Richard Branson said, if somebody offers you an amazing opportunity, but you are not sure you can do it, say yes. Then learn how to do it later. In doing this business, you need to study. You need to learn yourself. You need to develop how to work this out, how to develop the community. And don't be afraid. Why? Because what you offer is an opportunity that will change their life in the coming years, in the coming months. Okay? Study it. Okay? Grab it and study it later. Okay? Because the normal mentality of a person to see is to believe. In this concept, in this industry, you need to have faith. You need to believe first, okay, for you to see the remarkable result in the coming days. Okay? And what Jack Ma said, today is hard, yes. When you start this kind of business, it is very hard. There's a lot of people will say negative about you. There's a lot of people will not believe you. Even your family will not believe you because they believe you when there is already a result. Okay? There's a lot of people will say negative about you. Okay? But if you see your vision, if you see the vision of of this company and the mission of this company, okay, you will now realize that this project, this program, and this community will give you a sunshine the day after tomorrow. Try to imagine if you can hold 1 million ACNT, guys, and that ACNT will have a value of $1. That's a breakthrough to your finances. Okay? So guys, that's all my presentation. I hope I deliver the whole concept of AC Vertex, the whole concept of RWA, and I hope that I share to you um what is the real financial system right now and what is happening right now in the financial system in the whole world. We are now entering into decentralized finance. You need to put yourself in advance of what will happen on the next coming months and on the next coming days. Okay? So thank you so much once again and God bless to all of you. Back to you, Coach Gina.
Okay. So thank you so much, Coach Ray, for that amazing presentation.
You're
So
welcome. You're
good evening,
welcome.
everyone. So to all the international leaders, also to Ma'am Black Diamond, Alita has been kicked out of Zoom. So Ma'am Alita is not in the waiting room. She is not in the waiting room. So good evening to all the international leaders and also to all leaders and members of ECNT here in the Philippines. So this is a Zoom meeting tonight. So Coach Ray, good evening and thank you so much for your great presentation.
Yes, you're welcome, Tita. And thank you sa So thank you to all the participants in here in Zoom meeting. Okay, so I hope in the coming days we can increase our Zoom participants so that we can accept all.
So that we can accommodate all the
So
participants.
yes, for any clarification or question, you can now raise your hands or you can chat in our chat box so that we can accommodate.
So your
Uh,
acknowledgement, Mandla Mabaso. Mandla. Yes, good evening.
Thank you very much. Good evening, ma'am. Thank you very much, Coach, for great presentation. I've got just a few, just for clarity, and I must say the presentation is really clear. I do understand and follow. However, I would need to just get the clarity on, the different RUSD, AUSD that I'm able to see on my back office, what they actually stand for. Um, and then also, if I could just get the manner at which I'm trying to, say, for an example, I'm able to bring my team to come over and they register on the platform the same way that I have three accounts. Am I able, like, be able to, cash on, what is my, um, whatever that is actually due for me and all that, or I still have to wait for a particular time before I can say that I have what I need to actually get, what is due to me currently. Um, and then the other one, it is just in terms of the update I'm trying to do on my back office. It doesn't get to update. It tells me it's invalid, yet my email address is entered incorrectly. I'm trying to fix that, and it's not getting corrected.
Okay, Coach Ray, you may answer the question.
yes, thank you, Sir Mandla Mabaso, for that question. As of now, all our rewards are divided into two. Okay, 30% goes to RUSD and 70% goes to AUSD. Okay, so we have two options in order for you to get your rewards and also your daily rewards and also your referrals. First is we can do peer to peer. Okay, if ever that there is a group or there is a newly part of your team, you can convert your AUSD to MUSD so that they can use it for encoding, and then they will pay you, okay, for the registration, because we have options for new encoding. Okay, we can use 100% MUSD, we can use 20% RUSD, and 80% MUSD. Okay, so that's the one. Okay, another thing that we can withdraw our earnings or referrals, we are waiting to up our AI bot and mini exchange. Okay, as of the moment, very very soon. Okay, in AI bot, you can participate your earnings there in AC Vertex. You can participate there to earn additional from 0.5 to 7% daily, and your earnings there you can withdraw 70% USDT and 30% ACNT, because we are teaching, okay, we are teaching all the communities to hold ACNT. Okay, especially those newly to be part of this community, they have no ACNT holding yet. So that's why the management decided to split 70% USDT from your earnings in the AI bot and 30% ACNT. That's why you can hold also an ACNT crypto. So as of the moment, sir, that's the options we can use, especially if you have already earnings. And then all your team registered under you, you will get all the rewards, all the referral rewards if they will join under your team. Okay? I hope that I answer your question, sir.
Yes, the
Okay,
first question is
thank you, Coach Ray. So, any more question or clarification?
okay. The question was on my back office. I'm trying to what you call update because my email address is entered incorrectly, but it doesn't. It doesn't. It says it's invalid when I put in the correct one.
Okay. Sir, maybe you can send your concern to your direct upline so that your
Yes,
direct upline can ask for assistance to our chairman.
yes, yes. Direct.
Yes, Chairman, good evening.
Good evening for everybody. Good evening for everyone. So later on, we will upgrade our Zoom room. So we ask apology for those waiting in the Zoom room because we reached the capacity.
So what happened to Chairman? Maybe the signal is not good.
So yes, as per chairman advice, we will increase our Zoom capacity to accommodate all our invites and all the participants.
Yes.
So,
Narinig mo ko, tita?
Yes, Akma.
yes,
Yes.
Akma.
Okay.
Kanina,
Oh.
lang, dumikit lang yung hindi na gumalaw yung screen mo.
Okay. Tanggalin ko na lang yung screen.
Importante nakita ka nila
Yes,
na
Akma.
live,
Yes,
nandyan
Akma.
ka.
Ayan. Ayan, live tayo, live.
Ayan.
Well,
Yeah, live. So
Ayan.
alisin ko na lang yung video, tita, and then voice over na lang siya.
yes, Akma.
Okay.
Anyway, wala naman sigurong tanong, tita. So let's proceed for the updates and development. Okay. So
Pero
para
Nakma, ito, from Team Rose, ask ko lang po, sir, kung pwede na maswap ang RUSD to MUSD. Pwede. RUSD to MUSD.
RUSD to
RUSD to
MUSD.
MUSD, hindi pa
No,
pala. Hindi pa
hindi
na
po nasuswap yan.
Not
Hindi
yet.
siya nasuswap to MUSD. Kasi meron siyang particular na pinaggagamitan at paggagamitan. Okay.
Yes.
power.
So anyway, good evening po sa lahat. Thank you for ating mga coaches. Okay, kay Coach Ray, thank you for the presentation. Coach Gina, Coach Cho, okay, kay Coach Larry, kay Coach Arlene, kay Coach Andrew, okay, kay Coach Enrico San Miguel, and every coaches na narito, kay Ma'am Mavic. So good evening po sa lahat. Okay, so tonight, supposed to be last night, we try to address the update and development. But because na kalagayan po ni Coach Ray na nagpahinga ng konti dahil siya ay nabasa ng ulan, okay, mas maganda nang nabasa ng ulan kaysa nabasa ng apoy. Di ba?
Tama, Akma.
Power.
Anyway, tonight po, napakaganda po ng nagaganap at nangyayari para sa ating AC Vertex. And sabi ko nga natin, our program, okay, sa long-term program, we try to prolong and magkaroon po ng longevity yung ating programa, ating ecosystem for our ACNT. Sabi ko nga nung huling sumiting natin, huwag ho kayong mangamba at huwag kayong matakot sapagkat yung ginagawa ibigay natin
Sir.
last night, but tonight we will address all the development. At makikita naman natin, you can see on your dashboard the development. Okay, so supposed to be last night po ay magiging live na, full functional yung ating mini exchange. Okay, but it so happen we need to clear some boxes that nag-generate of glitches. And hopefully tomorrow is full functional na yung ating mini exchange. Okay, tomorrow or the most is Thursday. But we try our team tomorrow will be if you see your dashboard, all of the wallets there is introducing the crypto na darating po later on. Like MUSD, RUSD, AUSD, AC, RWA, ACUSD. Actually, that's all the wallet in our platform, in our AC Vertex. But sooner or later, it becomes also our list of the cryptocurrency that we have. Okay, not only ACNT, not only STKU, TEDI, but also those wallet become also the list of the cryptocurrency under the umbrella of ACNT. For the meantime, we use it as a wallet in our attend after we apps tomorrow or the most is Thursday, the full functional of our mini exchange, and we'll follow also our AI bot. So we cannot afford na sabay siyang i-up sapagkat mako-compromise yung the whole system. So kailangan muna natin makita yung functional, full functional ng ating mini exchange, and after that, okay, susunod po kagad yung ating AI bot. After AI bot, kasunod na rin po kagad yung ating RWA. Okay, RWA in our cacao plantation. So lahat po yan magkakasunod at lahat yan i-apps kagad natin. So ang pinopoint natin, everything na ginagawa natin under AC Vertex, okay, para po sa mahabang programa at mahabang negosyo na pagsasamahan natin. Hindi lang po yan 1 year, not only 3 years, not only 5 years. So kung loobin ng Panginoon sa lifetime sapagkat we are trying to build solid and strong ecosystem. And dun sa ating ginagawa in other side, winibuild natin globally, global demand for our solid and strong community. And then I will let me explain everything, the update and development. Okay, what do we expect for the couple of days from now? So now, makikita natin in our mini exchange, this is a trial and error for our exchanger. Okay, tomorrow I told you, tomorrow based on the update of our developer and update of our IT team, tomorrow it could be full functional yung ating mini exchange. Nevertheless, the most is on Thursday. Okay, but tomorrow, if God's willing, makikita natin na you can swap, okay, your MUSD to OR1. Okay, why we need OR1? Sapagkat siya po yung gagamitin. That's the OR1 you can use for your AI bot. Which the AI bot, you can able to receive the profit from 0.05 to 0.7% per day based on the robotic distribution ng ating percentage. Nevertheless, okay, so after that, we experience tomorrow or the most is Thursday, the mini exchange, okay, mayroon po mga changes. At isa po sa changes on 20, okay, on 20 of July 20, the procedure of enrollment, okay, or the procedure of activation of account, or the procedure for new registration ng account, meron na po siyang i-apply tayo simula po sa 20. Okay? Pero the same, if you go to add more, okay, the same procedure, wala pong mababago doon. Only for the new registration, for the new account registration. So we will apply on 20. Okay? We will apply, we call it 100% ACUSD, okay, or okay, 70% ACUSD and 20% RUSD, or 80% ACUSD, okay, that's the choices, and 20% or 30% MUSD, or 100% ACUSD, or 50-50. Okay, 50% AUSD, the another 50% came from MUSD and RUSD. Also on 20, all 1% na natatanggap natin sa AC Vertex from subscription, dati is 70-30, 70% AUSD and 30% RUSD. Ngayon po, 100% MUSD. Bakit MUSD? For you to use in the two-way, dalawang bagay po. It's either you can use it in the P2P or you can place it to buy ORO1 in the mini exchange to place order in our AI bot. So yun po yung mangyayari diyan. So we allow 50% P2P. Okay? Para po magkaroon ng tinatawag na kung ano yung nakukuha mong income. Okay, you can use it in P2P 50% or you can place it in the AI bot to earn more. So yun po yung magiging procedure. So what do you expect after that launching? Hello? After we launch our mini exchange, then follow by AI bot.
Alright.
Paki-mute nga muna, Coach, kayo iba.
Nakma, na-mute na.
Okay. So that's what we will do. Okay, ito po yung isang maganda doon. So kung titingnan natin yung mga dashboard, okay, yung ating AC Vertex, marami po tayong naka-i-implement yan, yung apps natin, mga tinatawag natin na ecosystem, para po makita ng marami. At mamaya po I call the Zoom leaders meeting after this meeting para sa mga leaders lang, top leader, and then later on we will call the sub leader. Okay? Ngayon, gusto natin pakita na marami po tayong gagawin at marami tayong i-implement para matupad natin yung ating dream na mahatak natin yung ACNT. And to be honest with you, halfway na tayo doon sa ating pangarap. Okay? We are already halfway. So what we need now, okay, in terms doon sa ating mga programa, in terms doon sa ating mga proyekto, okay na po siya, ilalatag na natin isa-isa yan para ma-implement po siya at mag-participate po yung ating mga tao. Ang kailangan natin maintindihan, okay, i-prolong natin siya, longevity, kung doon sa apat na sinabi kong letter S. Okay, 1 is the speed, 2 is the security, 3 is the sustainability, and 4 is stability. So mula po doon sa apat na yan, okay, yan po yung i-implement natin sa lahat ng ecosystem natin. Isa doon sa ating ecosystem na ginagalawan at ginagampanan, yung tinatawag nating gateway, that's the AC Vertex. Kaya doon sa AC Vertex, we try everything, the best that we can, okay, to provide the lucrative and attractive approach para po lalo pong mag-participate. Try to imagine after we launch, after ma-apps po natin yung AI bot, after a week, okay, after a week, yung atin naman RWA. After na launch po natin yung RWA at the month of August, next month, kasunod na po dyan, pati po yung ating Mark 49, pati po yung AC node. Ano ba yung AC node? Yung AC node po will determine yung tinatawag natin na representative, yung mga ACNT holder, magiging representative ng AC node, okay? Pero meron siyang mga qualification. So, unang qualification, you become ACNT representative under AC node if you have minimum 200 account or 200 level. Okay, on level 200. So meron po siyang particular na tinatawag na benefit para doon sa mga super node na yan. Okay, lalabas din natin yan, pero next month pa po yan. Ang priority natin, okay, within this week, okay, bukas o hanggang Thursday, mag-full functional na yung ating mini exchange, then we'll follow kagad yung ating pong AI bot. Okay, para po makita nila yung development. At doon sa AI bot, okay, makikita po natin na yung mga tao magi-enjoy lalo doon sa withdrawal nila, particularly yung mga kanilang MUSD, mabibili nila ng tinatawag na ORO1 at yung ORO1 ang ipi-place po nila doon. Ngayon, kung wala kang MUSD, you need to wait to generate MUSD. That's the basic reason we promote yung add more. Kasi the more na marami kang account, the more na marami kang MUSD na napoproduce every day. Okay, kung meron kang 100 account, at least you have 100 MUSD na generate. Kung tatatlo lang account mo, you need to wait. Okay, to produce MUSD para po siya maswap mo sa Oro One. Okay, so yun po yung gusto natin ipakita. Maganda po yung magiging Oro One para po yan ay ma-generate mo doon sa ating trading platform na AI bot. So doon sa AI bot, you can expect from 0.5 to 7% per day. In a week, it could be 15% in a week, okay? Or in a month, could be 60 or more % in a month. So, makikita po natin ang kagandahan doon, and yung income mo doon, 70% USDT and 30% ACNT. So, doon sa trading mini exchange natin, doon sa mini exchange, diyan nyo po magagawa. Yung RUSD nyo po, magagamit mo sa pag-i-encode. Okay? Okay, magagamit mo rin yan sa add more at magagamit nyo po yan sa ACRWA. Ano yung ACRWA? Yan po yung ating RWA sa cacao plantation. So yung doon po siya magagamit. At later on po kasama rin siya sa magiging crypto natin. So ilalabas po natin tomorrow pag full functional na yung procedure naman sa encoding on the 20. So sa 20 po, yung encoding natin, sabi ko nga sa inyo, mahati na siya sa iba't ibang option. So doon sa iba't ibang option, if you have MUSD, you can decide, I can use it in the P2P or I can use it to place order to buy in a mini exchange, the Oro One, and place order in the AI bot. So lahat po in-address natin. Okay, para po lalo pong makita yung longevity ng ating programa. Sabi ko nga, kung walang N, yung ating AC Vertex, walang dulo yung asing AC Vertex, wala siyang ecosystem para sa ACNT, at wala siyang programa na lumaki at lumawak at makuha natin yung remarkable value ng ACNT, maaaring magduda kayo do sa development na ginagawa. Sinika po natin na hindi i-shutdown yung system habang ina-apps at ina-upgrade yung ating development para po makita ng mga tao na we are sincere in our business. Bagamat yung ang ating mga IT, hirap na hirap sila sa pinapagawa natin sa kanila na development kasi naka-live po yung system natin. Naka-live siya, ibig sabihin, during the live, hindi mo siya pwedeng basta-basta galawin kasi tatamaan siya ng glitches. Halimbawa, bigyan ko kayo ng isang post kanina ni Coach Ray, ano pinagkaiba ng maybanktoyou.com saka maybanktoyou. Yung isang guhit lang ng letter A, malaking diferensya po nun. Okay, sa mundo po ng system, yung isang tudlok, isang quit, isang period, isang letter, malaking diferensya po na tumatama yan sa glitches. Yung ating development doon sa ating mini exchange, yung upgrade natin para doon sa AI bot, habang naka-live yung system natin, mas critical po yung mga IT na basta-basta kagad mga apps. Kaya nga naglalagay tayo everyday ng system maintenance, at doon sa system maintenance, doon nila ina-upload yon. Okay, sapagkat pag-upload nila yan at tinitest pa rin po namin kasi nag-generate siya ng glitches at nag-generate siya ng mga bugs. Okay, and we don't want to compromise the whole system. So rest assured na safe po yung system natin. That's number one. Mataas yung ating fire protection, mataas yung ating firewall, mataas po yan. At kagandahan lang po dyan, nagagawa po ng IT yung mga development habang naka-live tayo. Okay? Bagamat minsan hinihingi nila sa akin i-shutdown siya kahit mga 2 araw, 3 araw, pero sabi ko no need to shutdown, gawin niyo yung dapat gawin. Okay? Bagamat may mga boxes na dapat i-clear doon sa glitches, gawin pa rin. So the most is Thursday, full functional yung ating mini exchange, pero bukas po pwede na rin siyang makita na full functional siya. Kung di makita bukas, the most is Thursday, full functional. And after that, okay, ilo-launch po natin yung ating AI bot. Hindi siya pwedeng pagsabayin sapagkat baka mag-crash down yung system. So unahin muna po yung full functional ng mini exchange, then it follows our AI bot. So on 20, mababago na po yung procedure, pati yung nare-receive na 1%, magiging 100% MUSD na siya. Hindi siya mabibreak na 70-30. Only mabibreak na 70-30 MUSD, RUSD, yung income nyo po sa network. Okay, let's say referral, binary, and unilevel. Okay, so yung po din siya magbe-break na siya. So yun yung gusto natin ipakita. And another RWA after na ma-launch natin yung ating AI yung ating RWA sa Kakao. So ito po, sundan nyo ha. Okay, mini exchange tomorrow will full functional or the most is Thursday. Okay, then after that, yung ating AI bot. Ang week after, RWA po, ilo-launch na rin at you can swap your RUSD to AC RWA to participate in our RWA sa Cacao Plantation. And on July also, anong August, okay, meron po tayo isang lo-launch AC Gold at the AC Gold is more on luxury jewelry. Okay, so ano ang procedure ng luxury jewelry? So meron pong tatlong classification yung luxury jewelry na limited. Okay, number 1 is a ring na both male and female. Okay, then pendant, then whole necklace with pendant. Pero on August po yan. Apply din natin po yung RWA, all asset na meron ka doon sa iyong AC Vertex and ACNT, you can participate in RWA and AC Gold. Okay, AC Gold luxury jewelry. So what is the wow factor there? Okay, it's a limited edition. Okay, those who have luxury jewelry, you can use your all asset na meron ka sa AC Vertex and also ACNT. So dun sa luxury jewelry, habang nasa kamay mo yung sing-sing na yan, yung pendant na yan, o yung whole necklace with pendant, okay, habang nasa iyo yan, makaka-receive ka ng 3% per month for the rest of 60 months. Ibig sabihin, 5 years. Okay, let's say si Tita Gina, nag-acquire siya ng isang pambabaeng sing-sing, okay, luxury jewelry under AC Gold. Okay, ang pinambili niya yung mga asset niya sa AC Vertex, like MUSD, like Oro1, like AUSD, like RUSD. Okay, so pag binili niya yon, Tita Gina will receive 3% per month for the rest of 60 months. Ibig sabihin 5 years. So 5 years makakatanggap si Tita Gina ng 3% every month doon sa jewelry na kinuha niya using RWA. Ang good news, kailangan si Tita Gina alagaan niya yung jewelry na yon. Meron siyang particular certificate and meron siyang particular number. At yung jewelry na yan, at the end of the 30 days, para makolek ni Tita Gina yung 3% per month, kailangan videohan ni Tita Gina proof of life, okay, the same date ng video, okay, na nandoon yung certificate, nandoon yung ring, nandoon yung number. Then, i-reward kay Tita Gina yung 3%, okay, every month. Every month siya maglalagay at gagawa ng proof of life para doon sa kanyang limited edition na in-acquire sa AC Gold. Okay? So, i-collect niya yan 3% every month. Now, after ma-finish yung 60 months, okay, gusto ibenta, pabalik ni Tita Gina sa company yung kanyang accessory o yung kanyang luxury jewelry. Tatanggapin ba ng management yon? Yes, we accept, pabalik. Okay, provided less lang natin ng 20% do sa real value. Okay, kung binili ni Tita Gina worth 1,000 USDT, okay, at na-kompleto niya, na-collect niya yung 60 months doon sa ROI niya, doon sa luxury jewelry, okay, at kailangan niyang sabihin natin na ibenta pabalik yung jewelry, yes, we accept back kasi limited edition yan. Okay, so babawasan lang natin ng 20% doon sa value ng pagkakabili niya. So ang panggagamit po natin doon, whatever digital asset na mayroon ka sa AC Vertex, you can also avail yung gold, AC Gold luxury jewelry. Maglalabas po, by August po natin ilalabas yan another form of our RWA. Then pagkatapos po nun, maraming kasunod pa na RWA, nakalista na po siya, i-implement na natin, including the car, the vehicle, so on so forth, using the RWA program. Okay, hindi lamang sa kakao, pagkatapos ng kakao, isa gold, and so on so forth. So ano po ang gusto natin ipakita na intensyon? Anong gusto natin ipakita ang motibo? Ang pag-participate nyo po sa AC Vertex, hindi lamang po yung pag-collect ng 1% per day. Hindi lamang yung pagkuha mo ng payout. Hindi lamang yung pagkuha mo ng iyong return of investment. gusto natin ipakita nung nag-participate ka sa AC Vertex, sa long-term business. Maraming negosyo po doon. So doon sa negosyo, isa po sa gagamitin natin na stable coin, yung MUSD mo. Pag wala kang MUSD, okay, wala kang masuswap na OR1. Wala kang masuswap sa ibang mga program for you to participate. Kasi kailangan po, kaya dyan din sa ating mini exchange, nilagay din natin yung ACNT / MUSD sa mini exchange. If you have ACNT, you can buy MUSD. Okay, bakit mo kailangan? Kasi yung MUSD po ang magiging stable coin ng AC ecosystem. Okay, ng ACNT ecosystem. Yan po yung magiging at natawag natin stable coin. At yan, lahat po ng nandiyan sa dashboard nyo, magkaroon po ng sariling smart contract yan. Pag sinabi mayroong smart contract, lahat po yan ay magiging list of cryptocurrency. And by the way, yung Teddy coin nyo po, okay, yan naman ay gagamitin natin sa lahat ng gas fee. Okay, sa lahat ng transaction na meron po ang ACNT ecosystem. Halimbawa, yung gas fee po sa ating exchanger later on, yung AC Trust. Ang gas fee po niyan na gagamitin para doon sa transaction mo is the Teddy coin. Kasi ang Teddy coin, meron siyang sariling ecosystem na gagamitan natin para magkaroon din po siya ng remarkable value. Sabi nga ni Coach Ray, magpiso na lang yung Teddy coins mo, okay? Meron po siyang magandang future, pwede mo siyang laging gamitin ngayon, savings mo siya. Kasi lahat ng transaction gagamitin natin mula doon sa ecosystem natin, like mini exchanger, like yung ating pong AC Trust, like so on so forth. Lahat po na yan, ang gagamiting gas fee dyan sa transaction is your Teddy coin. Okay, hindi po yung ACNT kasi yung ACNT is our flagship cryptocurrency na mamamayagpag po siya hindi lamang sa ecosystem natin, kundi mamamayagpag siya sa buong, sabihin natin sa buong programa natin para makuha natin yung remarkable price niya. So lahat po ng nakikita nyo sa dashboard nyo, mayroon pong dahilan yan. Okay, lahat na nakikita muna nyo dyan, mayroon po tayong i-implement na magandang programa. At the end of the day, gusto ko ipakita nyo po at maramdaman nyo, nakapasok po kayo sa isang programa, sa isang proyekto, sa isang platform na long term. Hindi po siya panandalian. Hindi po siya sabihin natin after 3 months magsasarado. Kung ang AC Vertex wala siyang dulo, wala siyang ecosystem, wala siya pong kasunod ng mga gagawin at gagampanan at nakadepende lang tayo doon sa 1% per day, baka maaari yung kaba mo, yung takot mo ay totoo. Pero hindi po yon, sapagkat yung AC Vertex is only a gateway for you to participate on a lot of program, project, and ecosystem na meron po na ilulunsad at i-implement ang ating ACNT. Kaya nga po, ito yung gusto natin ipakita sa marami, okay? Pagpasok mo sa AC Vertex, para lang po siya, sabihin natin, parang insurance company, okay? Nagbabayad ka halimbawa ng monthly hanggang makakuha ka ng full maturity of your policy, and later on, makikita mo na kolekta ka na ng kolekta, harvest ka na lang harvest ng kinita mo. So ang purpose po ng ginagawa nating ecosystem tulad ng sinasabi ni Coach Ray, the purpose of our
Chairman.
ecosystem, number one.
Chairman.
Hello, Tita.
Sorry to interrupt you, Chairman, because Ma'am Black Diamond said this is English Zoom meeting and they cannot understand.
Nevertheless, Tita, meron namang submitted, meron namang recorded yan. Okay? So, we try to address not only for the people outside our community, outside the Philippines. Okay? We also want to accommodate, okay, our Filipino leader and so on and so forth. So, okay, for Ms. Black Diamond, okay, we try to explain in our own language the development and the better future that we have in AC Vertex, particularly in ACNT. So allow us to talk about also in our own native language. So because last day we tried to have a Zoom meeting, but because of some incident that we cannot avoid, so tonight allow us also to speak our own language in the Philippines. Okay, so that's the point, Tita. Okay, so the point, okay, the moment we participate in AC Vertex, okay, like what Coach Ray, we have a lot of multiple source of income preparing for you. Not only on 1% per day, not only on the AI bot, not only in a mini exchange. Mini exchange is preparation for our AC Trust. Okay? So your Teddycoin become a gas fee for all transaction na meron po sa ating ecosystem para po tumaas yung magiging value also ng Teddycoin. How about yung STKU? STKU naka-prepare po siya doon sa ating MetaView. Okay, nakapokus siya doon sa MetaView, gagamitin po siya doon sa MetaView. So malapit na rin pong may apps natin, iniisa-isa lang nating i-apps. Okay, and then launch po natin uli, pabalik yung MetaView 2.0 and also AC Profit 2.0. Yung dalawa po na yan, ang nakapokus na coins dyan o nakapokus na cryptocurrency dyan, ACNT and STKU. Ngayon, dito naman po sa lahat ng program natin, all the gas fee na gagamitin, okay, is your Teddycoin. So yun yung gusto natin ipakita, tita. Okay, we are very much serious dun sa business na meron tayo. And God willing, allow us to sabihin natin for lifetime. Okay, this program ACNT. And within this year, okay, but God's willing, okay, we hit minimum the value of ACNT $1 to maximum $10 within this year. Not only that, does not end there. Because our dream for ACNT is minimum $1,000. Okay, not today, not tomorrow, not next year, but we will not stop until we hit the $1,000. So yun lang, tita, unless otherwise may ibang mga question yung ating mga tao.
Yes, grabe. Thank you so
Okay,
much,
thank you so
Akma,
much,
for that
Chairman.
updates. Okay, guys, if you understand yung updates ni Akma, the AC Vertex is only a generating platform for all your coins or crypto that you will be used in different program at projects later on. So that's why sa lahat ng mga maraming accounts, congratulations. At sa mga wala pang hindi pang nagdadagdag ng account, this is the
You
time
need
for
to
you to
add
add.
account, more accounts.
Yes. Kasi parang parang pumapasok tayo sa one-stop shop. Okay, pumasok ka doon sa AC Vertex, nandoon na lahat. Okay, nandoon na lahat yung kitaan. So ang lupit, Akma, ang ganda talaga. So generating siya. Magge-generate siya ng mga crypto na kung saan gagamitin mo in different program at platform na ilo-launch natin under ACNT ecosystem. So hindi
Yes.
ka na magpapalabas ulit, 'di ba? Kasi yun yung gagamitin mo lang. Nag-start ka lang sa AC Vertex, the rest na kita mo doon, yun yung gagamitin mo na in the rest of the ecosystem.
Rolling
Kaya
na
ang
lang.
lupit.
Apo,
Ganda
tapos
talaga.
lahat ng transaction, alam naman natin, we need a gas fee. Okay?
Yes.
Particularly, launch natin mini exchange, then launch natin yung ating AC Trust and all transaction. You need a gas fee. Okay? So the gas fee is your Teddycoin. Okay? So if you have no Teddycoin, you need to buy Teddycoin. How to buy Teddycoin? If you have MUSD, you can buy Teddycoin. Okay? If you have a Teddycoin, you can buy MUSD. So vice versa.
Wow.
Okay? So why do I need MUSD? Because your MUSD is become our stable coin and also in all the transaction. Palagi always we need MUSD.
Yes, thank you, Akma. Grabe, ang lupit nito, guys. Okay? Kaya hatawan na.
Saan ka pa? Package na lahat. Andun na.
Package na. One-stop shop.
So
Unlimited.
Dito lang.
gusto lang natin paunawa sa marami. Kung naiinip po kayo at nandoon yung kaba at duda, okay, sabihin po natin kung nag-iisa lang po yung AC Vertex. Okay, only plain AC Vertex, no other program, no other development, okay? Walang RWA, walang ACNT, wala so on so forth. Only plain AC Vertex 1% per day. Medyo kabahan po kayo dyan at maaari yung kaba nyo tama at totoo. Okay? Sapagkat walang na-sustain, okay, na programa na ganyan. Pero because of the long-term program, particularly on RWA, that's the basic reason after a week na ma-launch yung AI bot, will follow the RWA because that's our intention. Okay, our intention will participate in RWA. So RWA is another big thing in the crypto market. So we will use our own native token in the tokenization using the blockchain, our ACNT. Okay, initially, those who have RUSD, you can use your RUSD to buy ACRWA. Okay, that's RWA, yan yung i-place mo doon sa RWA ng Kakao. Okay, now, if you have no RUSD, that's the time yung ACNT mo naman. Bibigyan lang muna natin ng leeway lahat ng may RUSD para magamit nila.
Okay.
And what's the good
Yeah,
news of RWA? RWA is for you have enjoy it for the rest of 36 months. You enjoy monthly dividend. Okay, for the monthly dividend, let's say you acquire one full fractional amounting 1,000 USDT, worth 1,000 USDT, or you can also fractional, okay, fractional 100. So there is a different proportion of dividend. If you hold the full fractional, it difference. Okay, but if you hold the fractional only, difference dividend. So meron po siyang programa. So if you hold the full fractional worth 1,000 value, okay, using your RUSD, you enjoy monthly dividend for the rest of 36 months. And the good news, the amount that you hold using RWA in a form of NFT is still in your hands. You can sell it in the marketplace, in our own marketplace. Okay, maybe during that time, if you want to sell it, a different price, maybe as an increased price already. Okay, maybe you buy it for worth 1,000 USDT, and after three years, you want to sell it. Maybe during that time, the amount of your NFT is about 1,500 already in the marketplace. Because in our RWA, it's only limited edition. Okay, we cannot afford to have a multiple slot. Okay, so we go for first 300 slot, then later on 500 slot, later on 1,000. We cannot to give million slot. Only limited slot in RWA. Like in AC Gold, limited slot also. All RWA become limited slot. Yun, coach.
yun. Thank you, Akma.
Okay.
Akma, yung dividend natin sa RWA, anong form, Akma?
RWA dividend, ang dividend po in a form of ACNT and USDT.
Yes, Akma. Thank you. Thank you, Akma. Yun na, guys. Okay, if you understand the word ecosystem, yan na po ang inuumpisahan natin. Okay, all the transaction umiikot lang po yan sa lahat ng ecosystem natin. So that will give the remarkable value of our own cryptocurrency. So ang lupet, guys.
Okay, any more
Any question?
clarification?
Any more question or clarification?
Baka wala na.
I think Akma, wala na Akma. Maybe your word, last word.
Okay. This is the assurance. Our commitment is a long-term business. Maybe you doubt us, maybe you judge us, criticize us, but our commitment, okay, we will provide best of the best program, project, and platform, not only for you, but for the ACNT. Because our dream, okay, that ACNT will reach the remarkable value that we dream since the beginning. So we will not stop, we will not quit, we will not surrender. Okay, we will do everything that we can by God's grace and God's provision, okay, that our ACNT could help and provide decent life for everybody. So yun po yung gusto natin ipakita. That's our commitment. However, okay, No matter what it takes, our commitment is still our commitment. Okay, so we will never surrender, we will never stop. So yun po yung gusto natin ipakita at iparamdam sa marami. So samahan niyo po na build, lalo na po ang pagbibuild natin ng community. That's why, okay, biligay natin sa community ngayon para mas mabilis ma-build ang community. You can use 50% doon sa P2P. You can monetize your earnings, okay, to register new account. Ang good news, doon po sa add more, it means if you have existing account and you want to create more account, okay, wala pong mababago doon. Bukas pa rin po yung rolling master, ganun pa rin po ang procedure nun, 80% USDT, MUSD, 20% RUSD. So tuloy-tuloy lang yung add more. But in terms doon sa recruit nyo, meron po tayong i-implement this coming 20 na procedure para sa new enrollment o new encoding o new registration. Para po lalo naman po makatulong sa lahat, makatulong sa leader, makatulong sa member, at the same time matulungan din natin yung IT team natin that they work with us 24 hours, 24/7. So, ang point natin, tayo po, meron tayong tinatarget na pangarap. At ang tinatarget natin pangarap, sasabihin ko sa inyo, nasa kalahati na po tayo. Okay? Nasa halfway na tayo. So, ang kailangan lang natin magpatuloy para ma-reach natin yung remarkable value na gusto natin. So, yun lang mga kapatid at maraming salamat. Unless otherwise, still kung meron pang mga question o clarification before we end
Meron
this
pa,
meeting.
tanong ni Ma'am Jane, pwede po ba send button for Oro 1?
Hindi mo na kailangan na isend button ng Oro 1. Okay, sapagkat if you have only one account o username, sa one username po, marami naman siya doon na tinatawag na account. Ang nasa-send button po, MUSD. So, i-send button mo muna yung MUSD, saka ka mag-buy ng Oro 1.
Okay.
Yes, tama.
So yung MUSD may send button para isang account pwede na siyang
Yes, tita.
ng diretso.
I-send button mo yung MUSD, ilipat mo kung saan mo siya gusto ilipat, and from that, yun ang gusto mong gamitin sa trading sa AI bot, dun ka mag-swap ngayon ng Oro 1.
Okay. So thank you so
Yes,
much. Very clear.
excited na makita yung full functional.
So
Power.
maybe tomorrow, the full functional could happen, or the most is Thursday. Pero yung bago tayo mag-Zoom, nag-send na sa akin ng confirmation yung IT natin, it could be after the system maintenance, full functional na po yung mini exchange tomorrow.
Wow!
Wow,
Excited na. Okay. Kaya yun. Thank you so much talaga, Akma, for this
thank you so much,
life-changing
Chairman.
opportunity.
And thank you also sa patient ng mga isip NT family natin.
Sa atin, tita, sa kaalaman ng lahat, tanggalin nyo yung duda. Tanggalin nyo yung takot.
Pagdudahan na lang Akma yung duda.
Kasi kung babasahin nyo siya dahil sa maraming nangyayari sa labas, maraming nagsasarado, wala naman silang dulo eh. Bakit di sila magsasarado? Tayo may dulo tayo. Ano ang dulo natin? Our ACNT. Our program ever since. So, kung hindi tayo bumitaw for the rest ng 2 years before, okay, nung time na yung walang crystal clear direction, walang crystal clear ecosystem. Ngayon pa ba tayo bibitaw na ang ganda ng crystal clear direction, crystal clear ecosystem? Ang lupit po ng gagawin natin at ating ipaparticipate. Lagi niyong tatandaan, RWA is only limited edition. Pero maraming RWA na ilalabas. Not only in cacao plantation, also AC Gold. Okay? So, yun po siya, marami. Even the property, even the sedan, vehicle, so on so forth. Marami ilalabas. Pero limited edition. So, how to participate RWA? Your digital asset in your AC Vertex and also your ACNT. So, yun lang. So, ang sa atin, yung ayaw mag-participate at still nagdududa at sanay tumanggap doon sa mga nangyayari sa labas, baka hindi para sa yung AC Vertex. Yun lang ang point natin. Pero para sa mga naniniwala at nagtitiwala, long-term business yung ginagawa po ng ACNT.
Wow, thank you so much, Chairman.
Yes, thank you so much, Chairman.
Grabe, napakalupit. I'm so excited na.
Gusto ko
So
bukas
maybe
na
wala
agad.
nang tanong?
Maybe wala
Magkakaroon ka
nang
na ng ano na
clarification.
Coach Ray, necklace at saka ring.
Tama ta. Sabi mo sa chat kanina, hindi na talaga yun pwede.
Hindi na pwede
Tao.
isan kasi pag isanla mo, wala ka nang matatanggap na ano.
Pinadidesign na po natin at meron na tayong manufacturer at supplier na kausap. So pinapagawa na natin ng design yung ring, pambabae, pang lalaki. So sizes na lang magkakatalo. Okay, and also the pendant and the whole necklace and the pendant. So tatlong classification siya. So under RWA din siya.
Wow.
So paano mag-participate? Whatever digital asset na meron ka sa dashboard mo sa ACBertex, you can subscribe or you can avail. Okay? So kung wala, ACNT, you can avail also. The good news, meron siyang 3% per month
Wow.
na natatanggap ka. Okay, at doon sa 3% per month for the rest of 60 months. Ibig sabihin, 5 years may enjoy. Okay?
Kaya walang dahilan na hindi mo padamihin yung account, Akma.
Ah. So, to
Tama.
collect the 3%, kailangan mo ng proof of life. Okay? Bibidyohan mo with calendar, dated, okay, kasama yung ring o yung pendant o yung necklace, kasama yung certificate, kasama yung serial number. Okay? Kasama yung calendar, yung dated. Bibidyohan mo siya ng live. Then isesend mo sa team o isesend mo sa management. Then
Wow.
ilo-load naman yung 3% mo sa wallet mo.
Ilang karats yung ring, Akma?
Sa kanila natin sabihin,
Karat ka talaga.
Na-excite.
So ang point, luxury jewelry siya, okay, limited edition, parang gusto natin palabasin, elite lang ang meron yan.
Wow.
Lalaki ang community,
Power.
lalaki ang community ng ACNT. Pero those who have ring is elite. Okay, those who have pendant is elite. Those who have necklace is elite. Okay? Meron po kayong certification na elite member kayo. So
Wow.
yun ang gusto natin i-project. Okay, kaya limited edition lang siya. Okay, the most sa ring, 1,000 pieces for male and 1,000 pieces for women. Okay? Doon sa
Power.
pendant, maaaring 1,000 pieces lang yung pendant, yung necklace 1,000 pieces lang din. So hanggang doon lang siya. So tataas ang value niya kung ayaw mo, ibabenta mo sa iba. Okay? With the certificate. So ang pino-project natin, those who have the ring, the pendant, and the necklace is elite member of the ACNT.
Ang lupit talaga. Thank you so much talaga, Akma. Wala na akong
Lupit.
masabi.
Lupit,
Nasa iyo
Coach.
ng lahat.
Nasa'yo na ang lahat. So, maybe wala nang tanong? Excited
Yes.
na sila?
At meron tayong Zoom meeting ng 10:30.
Yes.
Yes, meron pa tayong leaders meeting. So, we resume our Zoom meeting tomorrow, Coach Ray.
Yes,
Tomorrow
ta.
is Wednesday, and on the other day, Thursday, is your day off. And we will resume
Yes.
again on Friday.
Yes. Okay, guys,
Yes.
maybe wala nang katanungan, wala nang clarification. See you again tomorrow. Okay, I hope na ma-increase na natin bukas, no? Para at least
Yeah.
ma-accommodate natin lahat.
Sorry talaga, like
Nagagalit na
sa
iba.
group ni Sir Enrico San Miguel. So, kanina siguro yung may mga iba pang group na hindi nakapasok, but we rest assured naman na naka-record tong Zoom meeting natin. So, pwede natin ipasa sa kanila mamaya.
I-circulate mo na lang tita sa Pillars GC, yung
Yes.
recorded Zoom meeting para
Okay.
may pasa nila sa mga tao nila.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thank
Okay.
you so much to all the leaders. Thank you, Chairman.
Thank you.
Final
Good night.
message,
Good night.
Chairman.
See you in the next Zoom meeting.
Yes,
Thank you so
Sir
much.
Adam
God bless.
Andrew. Okay, message mo ako, sir, sa Messenger. Tingnan natin kung ano maitulong ko. Salamat. God bless po sa lahat. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Music, please.